Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In this video, let's see how to use cut and tear command. By using cut command, we can separate a string from a set of strings and can display that. Here I am displaying my password file. Here you can see that. Now let's use the cut command using pipe cut -d. Here d is the delimiter. Here we need to give in which way we need to separate them. If I enter colon here, then this FTP is taken as first field and X is taken as second field and 126 is third field and 134 is fourth field and so on. If I enter slash, then this one is taken as first field and this is second and this is third and so on. Let's use colon and another flag is -f. This is the field. We need to tell which field we need to display. Here I am displaying first field. So here you can see only the names are displayed. If I change colon to backslash, here you can see that everything till the slash is taken as first field. Let's get back to colon. Instead of displaying one field, we can display multiple of fields, like I need to display the name and UID. The UID is in third field 1, 3. Here you can see the name and UID. We can also use the range to display, like I need to display 1, 2, 3. First field, second field and third field. This is cut command. Now let's use tear command with it. We need to use pipe and tr is used for tear command. By using tear command, we can delete a character or characters from the output. Like here I got ftp :x :126, but I don't need to display the colon here. So for that I can use tr space and the flag d. Here I need to give colon. Here the colon will be removed. Here you can see ftp x 126. But instead of deleting that, we can change the colon to some other symbols, like let's change the colon to hyphen. For that we need to use the T flag, and here you need to give the symbol colon. Now you need to give the symbol that you need to display, hyphen. Here you can see all the colons are changed to hyphen. And if I need to change the lowercase letters to uppercase, I can add another tr command with this command using pipe. tr t a to z, the uppercase a to z. Here you can see all the lowercase letters are changed to uppercase. In tr still there are a lot more commands. Try it as your own and see how they are displayed. And that's it guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.